Good evening, guys. So, if you're on my website, I wanted to talk to you guys about Infinity Profits, okay? Infinity Profits is a platform created by Tavi Drain to promote different products that help online marketers from Facebook ad training, YouTube ads, and MCA landing pages as well, okay? So, first things first, I'm going to show you the products on here, okay? So as of now, there are 5 products. You have the MCA landing pages, the YouTube ads workshop, MCA mastermind, Facebook community, and Facebook ads 50/50. Okay, each one of these products helps every marketer in terms of what it is that they're trying to accomplish. So for example, if someone wants to purchase the Facebook community profits, that would help them with their engagement in Facebook groups and things like that. Okay, and the same with the Facebook ads 50/50, the MCA mastermind, and the YouTube ads workshop. Okay, with the MCA landing pages, obviously those are just landing pages. Okay, so I'm inside the back office for Infinity Profits. It's free to join Infinity Profits. Okay, you don't have to pay anything to join it. All right, but if you do want to purchase the products, there are fees with the products, of course. All right, for example, MCA landing pages is $30, YouTube ads workshop was $150, MCA mastermind is $50, and so forth and so on. Okay, once you sign up to become an Infinity Profits member, you'll see all the prices for the products. But the prices, they're totally worth it. Okay, the quality is amazing. The content that you get from these products is amazing. All right, now the cool thing about it too is that you have the option to become a reseller. Right, for $19.99 a month, you can become a reseller and earn 100% commissions on every product. Okay, so for example, if you decide to purchase the MCA landing pages, right? Now I'm not gonna click on it. I'm not gonna show that to you guys. I'll keep that a secret for now, okay? But if you purchase the MCA landing pages for $30, right, and you become a reseller for $20, once you become a reseller, you can sell this product for $30 and earn 100% commissions. Okay, so that's basically $30 every time someone buys the landing pages from you, right? And it's the same with every single product going down the line. Same with the YouTube's ad workshop. You earn commissions on that. Once you become a reseller, earn 100% commissions on that, and on that. So as of now, you have 5 products that you can earn commissions on should you choose to become a reseller. Okay, so I'm not going to show you the reseller section because that's where you'll have your link to promote. You'll have your personal information, and you'll be able to track your sales from there too. Okay, so let's go to the basic profile. Right, so you can see here, once this is green, shows that you're an active reseller. You see my name there, MoneyStar365. You see my email address there, personal name, first and last name. You have the option to change your password. There's also a reseller group. You have a regular Facebook group as well, where you can contact support and you can log out. Okay, so guys, all I'm gonna say, I'm gonna wrap this up really quick because I don't want to waste your time with the video. But Infinity Profits, the products work. The products are high quality. You're getting basically training on different areas from a 6-figure earner who knows what she's doing. It's just as simple as that. Now, I recommend you invest in these products and become a reseller, because at the end of the day, you want to buy the products and you want to earn commissions from the products as well. So, and it's only $20 one time, well, monthly, to become a reseller. So it's $20 a month to become a reseller, but you earn 100% commissions on every product that you purchase. Okay, so for me, that's a no-brainer. All right, so if you're on my website, click the link below to get started, to create your free account and check out the products inside. Okay, if you're watching the YouTube video, I'm gonna leave the link in the description below. Okay, guys, I hope you have a good night, and I do hope you take advantage of this. Talk to you guys later. Have a good night. MoneyStar365. Guys, take care.